Gonna check out our friend today, this little fig leaf. And down here, we got a dove that loves to hang out in the backyard. Oh, there's a branch in the way, but there's a dove down there. It's a shadow. Usually there's two of them. Now there's food right on this step over here. And the bird is just chilling in the sun. And this dove usually eats all of the peanuts I leave out. You can see them in there a little bit. So for this dove to be hanging out here means it's just cold. It's getting warmth. Oh, it moved. See it move? There you go. When they fly away, they sound like... Whoa. Pretty cool. But yeah, today there's only one. And it's not eating any of the peanuts. That means something. That's a sign. Hold on. Yep, just gotta read the signs of the local wildlife. See what's going on in the world. Oh, we got some more movement. There you go. There you go. Catch you on the next one.